Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to connect Trust Wallet to CoinMarket. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So CoinMarketCap provides a portfolio tracking feature called CoinMarketCap Portfolio Tracker that allows you to manually add and track your cryptocurrencies holding, including those stored in Trust Wallet. So here's the step on how you can do this. So first of all, you need to visit CoinMarketCap. Open your web browser and navigate to the CoinMarketCap website, which is coinmarketcap.com. After that, just go ahead and log in your account. And if you don't have one, just go ahead and create one by clicking the sign up button. Now, access the portfolio tracker. So once you are logged in, find the portfolio option on the CoinMarketCap website. It is typically located in the top navigation menu. Click on Portfolio to access the CoinMarketCap portfolio tracker. Now you need to add a transaction. So in the CoinMarketCap portfolio tracker, you can manually add transactions to track your cryptocurrency holdings. Click on the Add Transaction or Add Holdings button to begin adding your Trust Wallet transactions. Now you need to enter the details. So fill in the necessary details for each transaction you want to track. This includes the cryptocurrency name, the, the quantity you hold, the purchase price, and the date of the transaction. Repeat this process for each cryptocurrency you want to track from your Trust wallet. Now save the transaction. So after entering the transaction details, click on the Save or Add button to save that transaction to your CoinMarketCap portfolio tracker. Now track your Trust wallet holdings. So once you have added all your Trust wallet transactions, you can view and track your holdings within the CoinMarketCap portfolio tracker. It will provide you with an overview of your portfolio's value, gains or losses, and other relevant information. So please note that the process described above involves manually adding and tracking your Trust wallet holdings on CoinMarketCap. It does not establish a direct connection between Trust wallet and CoinMarketCap for automatic portfolio synchronization. So always exercise caution when entering transaction details and ensure accuracy to get an accurate representation of your portfolio. And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.